Hi friends, this is Sipal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I am a government teacher and you also know that I have completed my schooling in government school. So guys, when it comes to speak English, then I feel hesitate because I am not fluent as long as Hindi. I am not fluent in English as long as Hindi. So, guys, I will tell you my childhood story. In my childhood, I was not good in studies. I used to play with dirty children because there were many children surround me and they all forced me to play with him. And my parents had no restrictions on me at home because you don't know, but I will tell you guys. I belong a family. They are very illiterate. I mean to say, I belong illiterate family. My father and my mother both are illiterate. They don't know. They did not know. They didn't know how to upbringing their children. So my parents had no restrictions on me at home. They always give me give me freedom. That's it. And it was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree to pluck tamarind in the afternoon. He tried to pluck. It was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree in the backyard of my house to pluck tamarind in the afternoon. There was a mango tree next to the tamarind tree. Mangoes were also spread in it. He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, due to which he went into coma and he was admitted to the district hospital Ambikapur for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai for treatment and he was stayed there for about 8 to 10 days. But there was no improvement in his condition. Ins- instead of instead of we can't we we could not do anything because that in, in those days we were very poor and due to due to poverty we could not afford their further treatment and he became disabled forever. Guys, I remember that I was so poor that class first to 12th. I was so poor that class first to 12th. I used to I used to survive in just a pant shirt and shorts. I used to survive in just pant and shorts. My parents my parents had no, yeah, and whenever I got rupees 10 from my parents for any work, I used to be very happy because we were very poor guys and that's all about me. And and another story is that I will tell you. You know that I'm a government teacher, but nowadays in government school, children are taught only reading and writing, but they are not taught to speak English. I believe that children should be taught speak English along with reading and writing because children are the upcoming backbone in our society. Because children are upcoming backbone in our societies, in our society. So you know that there are four aspects, there are four parts of learning skills or any language in this world. These are called LSRW. L means learning, S means speaking, R means writing, and W means writing. R means reading, and W means writing. So, guys, reading, speaking, writing, and reading both are very important, but in all of them, if I talk about most important part of learning any language, so it would be a listening. Listening is very important to learning any language. So we should focus on learning. Listening. Without listening, you can't get success. I will tell you guys, you know that when child born, when child born, then they provides their parents, and when he happened, when he happened 3 to 4 years old, then uh, 2 to 8 years old, then he do practice a lot of practice, and his listening power is capacity. So thank you very much, guide, to listening to me carefully. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Bye.